If you want to speed up your workflow in any application, it's a good idea to know its shortcut keys. And in Affinity as well, let's say for example, if I have a shape right here, just like this, if I were to go ahead and hold Alt and drag, you can see that I can create a quick copy. I can press Ctrl C, Ctrl V to create a quick copy as well, and so forth. And when I right click, you can actually see like there are different shortcut keys related to different tools right here. So that is what you can do to speed up your workflow. And if you want to know other shortcut keys and you want to use it, you can go to Edit and then go to Settings right here. And then around over here, you can see shortcuts. So over here in, let's say the menu, if you were to expand, you can see the shortcut key. For example, the preview mode is Ctrl+Shift+W right here, and so forth. Apart from that, if you want to know more shortcut keys, you can go to Settings and then you can go to Shortcuts. And here there's different shortcuts as you can see right here. You can go to different type of shortcut like typography shortcut. You can go for, let's say for example, the particular layer menu right here like layer and so forth. And if you want to go ahead and assign out a shortcut, let's say for example, I want to go ahead and assign out a shortcut to this particular content, then I can simply go ahead and press the shortcut key as I like right here. If it's already being used again, you can see that I press Ctrl+Alt+Shift+Z. You can see the exclamation mark because it's already being used here. So if I were to press something else right here, or this one, so if it is not used right here, so just like this, then you can go ahead and apply that shortcut key as well. So this is what you have as you can see, and you can even go ahead and save this out right here. For example, there's AF short file, so I can just go around and say shortcuts right here just like this, and you can load the shortcut keys into another application as well, so that the same shortcut key is loaded out. So this is how you can go ahead and see the shortcut keys right here, and then use the one you want right here just like this, and then get familiar with the shortcut keys. And of course, for regular contents right here, you can see like there's like shortcut keys right here for size, there's like shape and so forth. Like let's say for example, for the preview mode, there's Ctrl+Shift+W. So if I were to press Ctrl+Shift+W, you get to the preview mode right here. And then if you were to go back right here, just let's say for example, if I were to go around, let's see some other shortcut keys that we have. For undo, there's Ctrl+Z. As you can see right here, you can press Ctrl+Z. For select all, there's Ctrl+A. So you can see that you can just press that out and then you get all selected and so forth. So that is basically how you can go ahead and utilize shortcut key and even modify the shortcut keys as you like inside of Affinity. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.